So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to find the folder that you're having a problem with. It should be seeing the folder path on your error message. So it's going to be different to you. I'm just going to go to any random folder. I'm just going to go to this folder, for example. Now once you find your folder, you now want to right click on it, and then click on permissions. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you want to select all application packages, select this, and then click on advanced. And then once you're on this, you want to click on change. Now you're going to type in your username. If you don't know it, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find your Windows drive. It has the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. Mine is Speedy Tutorials. I'm going to type in right here. Now you're going to click on check names. And then once you've done that, you're going to click on OK. And now you're going to click on OK again. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on users. Now you're going to select full control. Click on allow and then click on OK. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.